Today we are going to construct a perpendicular line through a point on a line. So what I mean by that is simply this. I'm going to draw a line. And then we're going to put a point on this line. So this will be a point. A lot of times I like to call it point P because that makes sense. So we're going to draw a perpendicular line here, and this is a line that continues indefinitely forever in both directions. So last time we talked about how to draw or how to construct a perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Now this time we're going to try to draw a perpendicular line here in this part. So step one is to draw the line segment with the with a point on it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use this compass, and we're going to make 2 points. So we're going to basically take it and we're going to make a point here and a point over on this side. And then we're going to, from those, so that basically makes two fake or temporary, but very, very useful endpoints on the line, or just 2 points that are equidistant, meaning the same distance from point P, just like the middle of a line segment is equidistant from the endpoint of the line segment. So that's why we're going to do those 2 points. Now, a couple of keys here. Number one, make sure you keep your compass at the same setting when you make the point on this side and on this side over here. And if it's off to one side, for example, this one is off to one side here, you've got really two options. One, which what I will do on this one, is I'm going to make this mark so I can see it on this point, and then on the other side the same distance. So instead of starting with it on this side and then not having a line over here, do that. The other thing is you could you could take a straight edge and simply extend the line, because it's a line and it goes on forever. So you could do that, that's fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold my line. I'm going to move my book so I can do this the way I want to do it, which is going to be to make a mark here, holding it at the same thing and moving it as much as I can, just like so. So those two are now the same distance. So this is number 2. Put the compass point on the point, and put the compass on the point, and make 2 equidistant marks on either side of the point. Then we're going to use those 2 marks to follow these instructions that we did from last time, from section 2.6. Okay, so I'm going to leave those there, but I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So we're going to take the compass, make sure that the setting is larger than halfway. I'm going to make a point up above. I'm going to make a point below. I'm going to switch to the other side, cross that one, and cross this one. Now I have marks above and below. So I'm going to take my straight edge, and this time it should go through this crossing point here, the point we made, and this cross up here, this intersection up here. So it should go all 3 of those, boom, just like that. And now this is a perpendicular line to the first line we made. And voila, that's what you do.